Aquaria KLCC boasts 8 amazing aqua zones with a variety of sea animals and amphibians. The most convenient way to get to Aquaria KLCC is by car, though it's also easily accessible via public transport like train and bus. If you prefer heading over via public transport, the LRT is a great way of getting to KLCC. KLCC station is located along the Kelana Jaya LRT line, just few stops from two popular transit stations, KL Central and Masjid Jamek. So even if the station you're coming from is located on a different line, you'll find it easy to get here. Upon arrival at the KLCC LRT station, walk towards Suria KLCC and find your way to the Underpass Pedestrian Tunnel. From there, it's an easy 5 to 10 minutes walk to Aquaria KLCC. Don't be hesitant to ask for directions. There is a concierge located in the center court of Suria KLCC. Visitors can buy the tickets either at the ticketing counter or on online platforms. We recommend booking Aquaria KLCC tickets online since you get booking confirmation for your desired date and time. Moreover, some amazing deals and discounts on your tickets can be obtained online. For us, we book on Klook to buy our Aquaria tickets. Klook offered a 17 ringgit discount per ticket for the weekday adult foreigner price and a 10 ringgit discount for Malaysians. You have to choose a date when buying tickets, but these tickets can similarly be used whenever. The first attraction that you'll see is the Piranha Tank. There is a short feeding every day at 4 p.m. that is so savage, it almost seems inappropriate for children. A whole fish, already dead thankfully, is lowered into the tank by a hook and the piranha tear its shreds within minutes. The gene pool nearby has starfish and small stingrays. There are a few Nemos, clownfishes, bamboo sharks, and horseshoe crabs. The gene pool in this zone is a kid's favorite hub that lets them interact with the starfish, stingrays, and clownfishes. The rest of the fish in the wall tanks are smaller fish that you might find in a home aquarium. The stream is where you will come across amphibians, insects, and other deadly creatures. The highlight of the stream is the otter den, a long habitat with pools and even a water slide. Once the door opened, the otters did not dart out and have to be corralled back into the pen. They hopped around the legs of the handlers that came in like excited puppies. Of all the feedings, you should definitely not miss the otter feeding. The handlers do more than just throw them food, but also play ball games with them and get the otter to do the basic tricks. Shipwreck, a tank resembling the inside of a ship with broken pottery and china scattered throughout with unusual fish such as red lionfish can be seen in this zone. It also has a coral walk where you will see a tank full of grown corals with an information screen about the coral reefs around Malaysia. The shipwreck exhibit looks like you're in the hull of a boat and is home to aquatic life that live in the ocean's deeper depths. Deep forest. Deep forest begins with a huge cylindrical tube containing a collection of fishes. There are only 4 tanks in the deep forest section. Piranha Tank, the tube, and 2 tanks at the base of the tube. Living ocean. The 90-meter transparent tunnel of the living ocean is what most visitors will be fascinated by. There is a very slow moving walkway built into the floor so you can get a good look at everything without having to move.
A girl who
Tama, sorry.
So after the tunnel, we check our photos that we've taken before the tunnel. And each photo is 80 ringgit, just converted according to your country. 80 ringgit each shot. So we got 5 shots and decided not to take any photo.
Yeah. I just spend it on food.
Yeah, we'll just add it on our food budget.
Okay.
The Weird and Wonderful Zone is a beautiful starry corridor illuminated by neon light. 3 tube tanks stand in the middle with a variety of bioluminescent fish.
Mimi, go! Mimi, go!
Station Aquarius. While the rest of the Aquaria galleries have cool blue mood lighting, the final exhibit, Station Aquarius, is shockingly bright and stereo looking in comparison. Only occupying a single room, this laboratory features a number of jellyfish and seahorses. Yan, ginto dito mga besh. So pricey. One small keychain costs 38 ringgit.
38 ringgit.
Equivalent to 1 meal person? No, 2.
2 person already.
Yeah.
So better plan your budget before
Yeah.
going here.
If you want to buy souvenir, shirt or photos, plan every step.
But if you are rich, never mind.